Hey guys, we're back with another video. Yeah, I need to do something. Ooh, I just crushed the chocolate bunny. Alright. That's not good. Alright, so today, I think I know what we're gonna do for a video. But I have to find the remote to it. I think that, oh, sorry for covering the camera. I just have to get something. And flip it. This thing. Look at it. Look at it. Alright, so. Wait, hold on. Alright. So yeah, and one thing I can do, if the axle can bend. Oh, there. It's right there. See if the axle will bend, it can do that. It can do that. Yeah. So need to look for the remote for it. Now. Hey, Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Hold on. It's actually in there. I'm Black Ops 3. Alright, oh dang, you can't see anything. Well, I guess you guys are gonna have to look at me. Oh wow, my cat's really shredding my bed. Here. Trying to hit this soccer ball thing. Oh, lit up. I don't see the remote anywhere. Nope. It's not there. Alright. Oh. Hey, is that the old pair of shoes? It is. Oh. Look at this. They're my old white Jordans. What size? Hold on. I need to see what size these are. Ooh, 2.5. I wonder if these would fit. My Nikes are 3s. I don't think 2.5 will fit. Oh, it fits good. Oh. They fit pretty good. Nope. Here, guys. Let's see if we can find the other one. I don't see the other one. Wait, I think I know. Keep crushing that chocolate bunny. After. No, that's a ball of yarn. Nope. Alright. So this is bad. Yeah. I thought I was gonna be able to find that and do some. Oh, dang it. Sorry again for that. Yeah. I thought we were gonna be able to do that. So yeah. This might be like the end of the video. Yeah. So make sure. Oh my god, that just shows off how messy my rim is. Wait, I know how to do this in this video by a pull-up. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry camera, sorry. Let's put you back up there. Oh. Alright. Dang it. Well, that's not gonna work, guys. I want you guys to see What is up there? What do you guys see? What do you see up there? See, guys, comment in the comment section below what you. Oh God! Comment down below what you see up there. Comment what you guys see up there. Or, oh, you were just. Oh. Comment what you guys see up there, alright? So if I do see one, it's just that thing. Alright, yeah, this is in the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm trying to post daily now. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.